If you thought two-strokes were a thing of the past, think again. Yamaha's back at it with the 2026 YZ125, and it's sharper, faster, and more refined than ever. Whether you're a weekend warrior or chasing podiums, this bike demands attention. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, let's dive in. Design. The 2026 YZ125 sticks to its roots but gets a fresh, aggressive look. The bodywork is slimmer, the ergonomics are dialed in, and that new seat profile makes it easier than ever to move around in corners. It still screams YZ, but now with a sleeker edge. Performance. Under the hood, Yamaha's tweaked the liquid-cooled 125 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine for better mid-range torque without sacrificing that crisp top-end hit we all love. Power delivery feels smoother, especially out of corners, and throttle response is lightning quick. On the track, it's light, agile, and incredibly responsive, exactly what you want in a 125. Features and technology. The KYB suspension returns with updated settings for improved balance and comfort, especially during high-speed hits. The front brake setup is stronger, and the revised air intake helps the engine breathe better. There's also a new digital hour meter for maintenance tracking, simple, but smart. Conclusion. Yamaha didn't reinvent the wheel here, they just made it roll smoother, faster, and with more bite. The 2026 YZ125 proves that two-strokes are far from dead. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate 125? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more straight-to-the-point bike breakdowns. Catch you in the next ride.